Hello guys, I am Nurmelinda. Here I will tell you a review of a novel book entitled Psychopath Diary by Vasca Vanessa. The synopsis of this novel: an actor who recently received the Best Male Actor award disappeared mysteriously in the night of the murder of his wife. He was assigned as a fugitive until an intel managed to uncover the secret in the page of the manuscript were found at the scene. Screenplay that the actor acted investigated. Suspicion leads to businesswoman nightclub, a disc jockey, a former artist who frustrating until the film's screenwriter. New killings continue to emerge without stopping, until a childhood disgrace, the psychopath managed to make removing one by one makes. What was the motive of the perpetrators behind the assassination sadistic? The trip into town past the psychopath deliver to intelligence on surprise difficult to luggage accepted. One of them get too deep in the wounds of the past of psychopath. Will she get out of inner turmoil and find the real perpetrator, or will end up miserable like the other victims? The next identity of the novel book title is Psychopath Diary, with theme horror psychology, genre adult thriller novel, author Vasca Vanessa, publisher Fata Morgana, and last publisher Your, first published May 12, 14. The characters this book are seven. They are Alessa Cassandra, the main character, a young woman with a past trauma, people with psychopathic, smart, and clever brain, cold-blooded murder, cruel, sadistic, and violent. Ziva, a female police intelligence handling the case of crimes and murder committed by a sadistic killer. Beautiful, attractive, and good-natured. Next, Reynal, an intelligent again, a close friend and partner Diva in the case of sadistic murders. Handsome, very attractive, and playboy. Ellen, a nightclub, a charismatic entrepreneur. Sonia, a former artist who has big ambition. Karen, a new DJ with drug dependence. And last, Imelda, a teenage romance story writer naive. Next part, the review. I title this reviewer is Beautiful Instigator because this novel has a story that is very mysterious and amazing. My overall opinion of this novel is very unusual, capable of influencing the psychology of each reader, able to bring the reader's emotion swarm and drifted into the realm of imagination, future, object pattern, as if you are involved in it, can be washed away and come to feel each conflict, pain, and suffering experienced by the characters. I really appreciate the author because she had rummaged through the reader's emotion. A lot of emphasis in the story that makes the brain think hard. Novel is very special, which was deliberately booked in order not to excessively edited so that his message and feels to be conveyed. The author does not disappear, making way of writing looks very natural and as if not an invention but a life story is evident. A scene from the writing describes all that the author of this novel is an invention, but a life story is evident. A scene from the writing describes all that the author of this novel is a very intelligent. She knows the point of conflict that could bring the reader's emotion climax. Cause the writer asks this novel is not edited in rules of language. The word and sentence in the preparation of this novel is not neat and feels heavy and confused. Takes precision deep in order to understand it, because the author of the novel also a psychologist. She became very skilled in mapping the thoughts and feelings of the readers while reading the story. The story is very beautiful, but terrible voices and theme, faith and reason. I think the novel with the theme of horror psychology is very powerful, a story that is very common today but still considered taboo, sung and retold in a different way more sweet but cruel and horrible that directly penetrate the soul of the reader, miraculously sensitizes every reader. Because the author of the novel is very intelligent, it needed intelligence in the reader so that the reader can understand, dive, and come to feel any emotion that serve the author. This novel presents a very mysterious sensation, wild, beautiful, cold, dark, and challenging, but very immersive. There are four positive things of this novel. The first, have a very entertaining story. The second, describing the story of one's life and struggle that provide important lessons for the reader to not make the same mistake as characters in the story. Next, appointed a story marginalized stories of our life side, the side that had been considered an important, taboo, or even not even they exist and are very dangerous. And last, teach us to be aware of the other side of life and to begin to ask how seriously do any and easily hurt and playing with others as a reward in the world would have immediately accepted. There are four positive things of this novel. The first, have a very entertaining story. The second, describing the story of one's life and struggle that provide important lessons for the reader to not make the same mistake as characters in the story. Next, appointed a story marginalized stories of our life side, the side that had been considered an important, taboo, or even not even they exist and are very dangerous. And last, teach us to be aware of the other side of life and to begin to ask how seriously do any and easily hurt and playing with others as a reward in the world would have immediately accepted. Okay guys, enough of me. Thank you for watching and listening. See you next time.